Ah, I'm bored. I'm bored today. Let's go. Roller coaster on the balance. I'm down at 499. I was at 1500 probably about 4 games ago. Pretty savage run that is. Any danger? One spin to go. Looks like a cracking bonus, definitely worth the wait. Wow, thanks. Lovely bit of bonus guarantee for you there. Mega yawn. 20 quid. Backing him out. Montezuma. Slided the discs. Took the piss, of course. Down to 376. Fucking hell. Brutal. Let's see what it's got to offer. 10. I'll take the 10. Oh, let's go. Come on, Beaky. Let's have a re-trigger or 10. Oh, 5x is actually a win. Where are my discs there for me 10x re-trig? Nowhere to be seen. Disc. Come on.